So one of the things that comes up, especially if you have one of these steel catchment tanks, is there's a specific overflow pipe that's installed to make sure that we don't run our tanks over. Those overflow pipes are directional. That means they're not the same. If you put it in backwards, the pipe on the inside of the tank is always going to be lower than the water surface inside there, and you're only going to be sucking clean water out of there. If that's the case, you're probably going to have a nice black ring around the inside of your tank, but that's not ideal. A properly installed overflow has the pipe at the surface of the water, and that way it skims all that floating material out and dumps it out to the outside of the tank. Definitely something you want to pay attention to. I encourage everybody, check your overflow, make sure it's working properly, and let's keep those tanks clean. Please consider subscribing or leaving a like if you liked this video. This helps us spread the word about safe water harvesting everywhere.